how to fix Valorant lag easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, just go to background apps, and now disable background apps and to go back. Turn off this option, the first option. You will find like that, just turn it off and go back, and then type here, now type here device manager, go to display adapters and make sure to update your driver. Click update and click search automatically for updates, and that's it. And now just type here update and check for updates, and then if you find any update, just update your Windows, and after updating your Windows, restart your PC and run Valorant as an administrator, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.